Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your E-Trade retirement account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your E-Trade retirement account, start by visiting the E-Trade website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. Select the option for new user. Set up password. Enter your social security number in the designated field. Provide your date of birth. Input your E-Trade account number. Click on Continue to proceed. Follow the prompts to create a secure password for your account. After creating your password, you may need to verify your identity via email or phone. Once your identity is verified, log back into your account using your new password. Navigate to the Retirement Accounts section of your dashboard. Select the type of retirement account you wish to activate, such as an IRA. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click on the Continue button to move forward. You may be prompted to set up a beneficiary for your retirement account. Enter the required information for your beneficiary. Review all information entered for accuracy. Submit the information to finalize your retirement account activation. You will receive a confirmation message once the activation is successful. Take note of any important information associated with your newly activated account. Now you can begin making contributions and managing your E-Trade retirement account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.